Hi guys, welcome back. We're here with Nathan from Everybody Rocks, and today we're talking about drums.
We are talking about drums. I'm so excited to be sharing drums with you all. Drums are the heartbeat of any song, of any band, and they're super fun to play. I was going to talk a little bit about the different parts of drums. Different drums sound different, you know, and so I was going to demonstrate a little bit of that. If I play the kick drum, that's the one that I play with my foot, you hear that it's a really low sound, right? And then if I play these drums up here on top of the kick drum, they're called toms. Toms. Mm-hmm. And they're a little bit higher sounding, but still kind of low. Then if I move over to this silver drum that I'm playing, this is called a snare drum. And snare drums have an even higher sound. So we're kind of going low to high here. So you can hear that that's a lot higher sounding than the toms are, or especially the kick drum, right? Mm-hmm. And then over here I have what's called a hi-hat. Mm-hmm. It's not a top hat, that's what Abe was. And it's not a high top, that's a shoe. It's a hi-hat, and it has a couple of different things that it can do. It's two cymbals. You can see that there's a cymbal here and a cymbal here, and what we do is it sits on a little thing like this, and we can play different sounds with it. Oh. I control whether the cymbals are closed or open with my foot on a pedal. So the hi-hat makes a lot of different sounds. And so it's a pretty versatile instrument. So we kind of go from low to high. Low, medium, a little bit higher, and then cymbals bring us up to kind of higher frequencies, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
So what's really fun about the drums, besides being really loud, is that you can start to play pretty cool beats pretty fast. And the way that you think about playing the drums is, first you learn to separate what your hands do from what your feet do. So I'll give you an example. If I'm using my right leg and my left hand, and they're not playing at the same time, right? Now, if I'm gonna add another hand to that, what I'm gonna try to do is have each one of my limbs be independent of the other. It's almost like dancing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's what it's kind of like. You're doing different things with different parts of your body, right? So I'm gonna play my right hand across my body on the hi-hat. My left hand is gonna be on the snare, and then my right foot is gonna play the kick drum. They're each doing their own thing. And that's how you start to play real rhythms on a drum set. It's so fun.
Yeah,
Right, that is
really
it takes
fun.
a lot of brain power. That's
True.
a lot of
It
different
does.
parts going
A
on.
lot of like this kind of thing.
Totally,
Yeah.
totally. It's a lot like tapping your head and rubbing your belly. That's exactly what it's like. I'm gonna play my favorite drum beat before I move over to the other drums that we have. So this is from a song by Led Zeppelin called "When the Levee Breaks," and it goes like this. I messed it up. Oh, that is so fun. That's so fun.
That is so cool.
So I love playing drums, and I love showing kids drums, but sometimes you don't have a drum set, right?
Oh, right.
So what do you do when that happens?
I'm glad you asked that. So what we've got here is a drum kit made of things that you can find around your house. All right.
Okay.
So we've got some boxes, we've got a pan, we've got some buckets, trash can, and I don't even have drumsticks for this. This is these are spoons that you would use in the kitchen, right?
Right.
So let's see what the different sounds are. We've got a trash can here. That's pretty cool. These kind of sound like the drum, the toms maybe.
Yeah.
The kick drum maybe. We've got a little bit of a cymbal sound, right?
Yeah.
The hi-hats. More low kind of sounding drums. So I'm gonna try a rhythm on my made-up drum set
Okay.
here. So let's see. How about them? Oh, that's pretty fun too.
That's awesome.
Pretty fun.
Yeah, you can do that anywhere with like anything too.
Right, exactly.
Totally.
That's like the
Totally.
best part about it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you play drums, Lou? It'd be kind of fun. I don't want to put you guys on the spot, but it'd be kind of fun to like see like a duet
Yeah,
kind of.
with the
Oh, that'd be
situation.
cool. You want to try?
If you want to try.
Go ahead, hop on the drum set. So,
show us.
Yeah,
while,
you were playing earlier and it was like so good.
so while Lou's getting set up, I just wanted to point out that sometimes we don't have a drum set that we can play, right?
Right.
But that doesn't mean you need to wait to learn, right? We can all find a box. We can all find something to hit. You want to make sure you get permission before you start beating on things in your house,
Ask
right?
your parents for the pots and pans.
Ask your parents for the right. That's exactly right. But the point is, you can go ahead and start making music. You don't have to wait for a thing. I don't need a drum kit to play the drums. If I'm really serious about playing drums, I'm gonna find a way to play drums.
Right.
Right? And the other part of that is that oftentimes parents want to see you being creative and excited about something before they go drop a bunch of money on an instrument that's really loud and takes up a bunch of room, right?
True.
So if your parents see you playing and really being interested in rhythms, then that gets you closer to a kit.
Yeah.
that make sense?
That does
Yeah.
make sense. It makes a lot of sense.
And you don't need to wait. You don't need to wait. If you want to make rhythms, you should make rhythms.
Yeah.
Right?
True.
Absolutely.
So, hey Lou, you want to play some drums?
Okay.
Go for it, man.
All right. Ooh.
Ooh.
That was awesome,
job.
Lou.
That was awesome.
That was so cool.
Fun.
Great.
Cool.